Hi, my name is Ricardo Nelas Hernandez. I'm 20 years old and I'm going to talk about my career. I'm studying industrial design. I'm in first semester on the UEM. What's industrial design? Industrial design is the use of a combination of applied arts and applied science to improve aesthetic and ergonomic and stability for products. But it may also be used to improve the product's marketability and production. Uh, that means that an industrial design can design everything, like a cell phone, a computer, a TV, a car, a bed, a chair, everything. Everything that the human needs for his everyday life. Why I choose industrial design? I choose industrial design because I like to create things. I like to draw. And more specific, I love cars. I want to design cars when I finish my career because that's one of my favorite passions. This is some example of some of industrial design. Uh, like I said on the first uh, on the first page, a designer can design everything, like a chair can design uh, all kind of chairs. This is some speakers, designers also by an industrial designer. This is some cars. This picture is so interesting because shows you that the imagination of a designer is different in all designers. Like one designer can imagine, I don't know, uh, like a rear bumper of a car in red with uh, a form like a ergonomic form. Another design can imagine in a different form like a cubic form or something like that. Here is another picture of industrial design based on cars mostly, and is and upstairs and in here is another image. uh, I'm going to talk about some styles of industrial design. The minimalist is the design based only on the essential. This means that like if you are in a room, it's only the essential, like a bed, TV, or two or three desks, chairs, uh, whatever. This here's another image that shows you what is the minimalism. It's a very simple design. It has only what the person need, that is created for take some rest or just for sitting. The Japanese design. Japanese design has a lot of interesting characteristics. Like his design is a high quality design. Basically is designed for social needs. It's also minimalist. It uses small objects. The price. This is one important thing. The Japanese design is a very good design, but on a lower price. You can buy a Japanese design like I don't know, the more popular in Japanese design is the brand Sony, that computers, uh, video cameras and photograph cameras. You can find it on every store, and that's a very good example for industrial design and Japanese design. Another thing is the performance in production. That the Japanese design is also uh, has a really good performance. Uh, like in technology, for example, Japanese design is one of the top technologies in design at the moment. Well, another important design is the Mexican design. In Mexico, there's a lot of very important designers, or the Mexican design. In Mexico, there's a lot of interesting designers and artisans like Héctor Álvarez, Andrés Amaya, Lluvia Mezcua, Gabriela Artiga. That's one of the most popular Mexican designers in the moment. Also, we here in Guadalajara we can find a lot of interesting productor and artisans in Tonala, like plates, forks, spoons, knives, etc. The Mexican design is also have combines a lot of styles of design, minimalist design, uh, like as another things of Japanese design, and obviously Mexican design, like folklore, the colors that they use, like pinks, brilliant pinks, uh, white, red, and green, like the flag of Mexico. Well, that's all for my presentation. I hope you enjoyed my video. My name is Ricardo Ornelas, and see you soon.